Starting an LLC might seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down into simple, manageable steps together. First things first, what exactly is an LLC? Think of it like a protective shield for your personal assets. It stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's a popular choice among small business owners because it combines the benefits of a corporation with the flexibility of a partnership. Sounds pretty good, right? All right, let's talk about how you can start one. The first step is picking a name for your LLC. This is your chance to get creative. But remember, the name has to be unique in your state and must include LLC in the title. It's like picking a name for a new pet. Exciting, but you've got to follow the rules. Next up, you're going to need to choose a registered agent. This is a person or business that receives official papers on behalf of your LLC. It's like having a reliable friend who's always there to grab the mail when you're out. And if you're wondering where to find one, legalregistration.com can help with that. Now comes the fun part, filing the articles of organization. This is basically telling your state, hey, I'm starting an LLC. It involves some paperwork, but don't worry, legalregistration.com makes it super easy to handle all that online. Once that's done, it's time to whip up an operating agreement. This is an internal document that lays out how your LLC will run. It's not usually required by the state, but it's a great idea to have one. Think of it as a game plan for your business. And don't forget about getting your EIN or employer identification number. This little number is like a social security number for your business. Necessary for things like opening a bank account and hiring employees, you can easily snag one from legalregistration.com. Visit us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. After you snag that EIN, go ahead and open a dedicated business bank account. Keeping your personal and business money separate protects that liability shield and makes tax time way less messy. Plus, it looks way more professional when clients write checks to your company name instead of you. Last thing, stay on the state's good side by filing your annual report and paying a small fee on time. And double check whether your city or county needs extra licenses or permits. Legalregistration.com can ping you with reminders and even file the paperwork so you never miss a deadline. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making your business a success. Thanks for watching and happy entrepreneuring.